Good afternoon, babies, and welcome back to my channel. What's Mama Cooking? Today I'll be making zucchini, carrot, and onion fritters. And right now I'm just scraping the carrots off. You gotta scrape off the dirt over there. I already washed them, I'm just scraping them off. And I gotta cut off the ends of the zucchini. Already washed them. I'm gonna roll them again. And then I'll have to grate them a little bit, and I'll show you. What you gotta do, it's a process, but they come out so good. And they taste so good. So. Scrape. That's what you gotta do, painstakingly. You gotta scrape it. Yes. So that's what I'll be doing. I'll be scraping them, and then I'll get back to you when I have scraped everything. Hey babies, I'm back. I shredded up all the zucchini and the carrots and the onions. So now I'm gonna season it with, my same old seasonings, but I will repeat it. Oregano, paprika, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, basil, adobo, Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning, bacon powder, parsley, a little bit of curry, and I'm gonna put some flour in here and 2 eggs. I forgot the eggs to show you, but I'm gonna bring them out. Okay, let me start putting the seasonings in. And I'll fry up a couple for you so you can see. and I'll be right back. Yes, baby, see, this is how the fritters are supposed to look, like this. What makes them puff up is the baking powder. So you do it like this, and then when they get brown on that side, you flip them over. Let's see if I can flip it so I can show you. See? Nice and brown. Sometimes they stick together when you put them in the pan, but you could just break them apart like that. And these are good for like vegetarians. And you could take the egg, if you don't put the egg in and you put enough binding, it's good for vegans too. They're very good, so I advise y'all to try them. Okay, I'll be right back to show you the finished results. Okay, babies, I finished frying the fritters, and they came out like this. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. And I hope you make this for your friends and your family. It tastes so good, and it don't even have meat in it, but it tastes like it has meat. You're gonna enjoy it. So just thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and check out my daughter's channel, Kaya Monet. Okay, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.